Hey everybody, this is Florida Trailblazer out here hiking deep in the wilderness in the upper Hillsborough Preserve. Checking out some of these forest roads back here. And I'm trying to get to a particular area, but as I've come to this part of the trail where I had to cross, it is flooded out and it's pretty deep. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to cross here. And as I was walking up to right here, there was an alligator that I saw in the water, and he swam to the other side as I was walking up here, so I definitely will not be crossing through this area. And it's not real deep right here, but out in the middle looks pretty deep. But you walk through a lot of pine forest in this wilderness, but you also go through some swamps, especially as you get close to the Hillsborough River. That's kind of the direction I was heading in, so this was to be expected. And this time of year, middle of the summer, we've had a lot of rain. These trails tend to flood. But it's a nice area, it's beautiful back here. So I'm going to walk back this way to where I came down on this trail, see if I can find another way around.